Today in the livestock market, cattle was a little bit lower. Those disappointing weekly export sales really put a little bit of pressure on the market. The box beef prices were kind of mixed, and the modest WASDE report really didn't cap the grains because the grain market really was able to kind of shake it off and move a little bit higher. So we are in the lower level of the past 1 month range. And kind of just holding there. So I said that I feel like that's kind of the positive for that live cattle market. The C-vol for live cattle is at 14.8%, and relatively speaking, it's the same that it's been for the past number of months. Now, feeders were mixed, so maybe there's something better there. The futures are holding at a discount to cash, and perhaps, that's a surprise really for this time of year. The market did trade on both sides of unchanged, so it didn't really get that much pressure from the grain market rallying. The market was kind of choppy today, and while the two front months were slightly higher, most of the back months were a little bit lower, and that's how it is to end the week. So somewhat sideways trade for the beef complex as a whole, so I feel like they kind of like hung in there in spite of the WASDE report for the grain market. Hogs today were steady. The futures are holding from the early week drop. So, the market just has fulfilled the correction pretty quickly now. However, funds are tight, and the tight supplies are the issue for hogs. So that still remains. We're not sure if the market is going to take off again, but clearly there's plenty of support under the futures right now, with the C-vol at 32.8%, relatively strong, but really steady at this point right now. So the sell-off seems to have come to a halt for this week, but we'll see what happens on Monday.